see the next problem set, that is problem set 22. Here you will see both addition and both subtraction. Okay, but now as you can see, they are unlike fractions. In the problem set 20 and 21, you have seen the like fractions and you have added the numerator. Okay, but here you can see here they are unlike fractions, mean here the denominators are different. Okay, here the denominators are different. Clear? Then what we will do, first we will make it like fractions, then we will subtract, add or subtract. Okay, so let's start with this. Yeah, the first one, that is add. The first question is 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, now first we will make it like fraction. So for that, see here, first we will write the multiples of 8 and multiples of 4. All of you know how to make it like fractions. Then first we will write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means the table of 8, that is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, like that. Okay, and your multiples of 4. Okay, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Okay, means here you can see the 8 is common in both this. Okay, then if we, here 8 is there, then if we multiply it by 2, so that we will get here 8. Okay, then the same 2 will be multiplied in the numerator also. Okay, then first we will make it, that is this will write as it is, and here we will write, that is multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator. Then what will come, this 1 upon 8 will remain same as it is, 3 twos are 6 and 4 twos are 8. Now see, denominators are equal, means they are like fractions. Then we will add the numerator, that is 1 plus 6, that is equals to 7 upon 8. Okay, now this is your answer for this addition of fraction. Okay, now see the next one, that is the second one, that is 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Now again here we will write the multiples. If you know that is that if you can write it directly, that is if we multiply it by 3, then we will get here 21. But some students don't know this directly, then for them we are writing here multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, like that. Okay, means here see here, if we multiply 7 into 4, then we will get here 21. Okay, then write here, that is 3 upon 7, multiply by 7 into 3, 7 into 3. Then same number 3 will be multiplied in the numerator also, that is 2 upon 21 will remain same, it is 3 threes are 9 and 7 threes are 21. Then now see here they are like fractions, then write here and add the numerator, that is 11 upon 21. Clear? Now see the third one, that is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, now see here we will write the multiples first, so that we will make it like fractions. So multiples of 5 and multiples of 3. Okay, then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 15, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Okay, and here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Okay, means if we multiply 5 into 3, then we will get 15, and 3 into 5 we will get 15. Okay, so let's start with this. We will multiply 5 into 3. The same 3 will multiply in the numerator, and we will multiply 5 in the 5 with 3. Okay, now as you can see, 3 twos are 6, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 3 fives are 15. Now see here, they are the like fraction. Then add the numerator, that is 6 plus 5, that is equals to 11 upon 15. Okay, now this is your question number 3. Now similarly solve the fourth and fifth one, that is your homework. Okay, and now similarly we will solve the subtraction sums. Then here the first question is 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. Okay, now just if we multiply it by 2, so that we will get here 10. Then here write here multiples of 10. Multiples of 10, that is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, like that. Okay, and 20 ones are 20 is here. Then here we will multiply it by 2 minus 1 upon 20. Then here we will get 3 twos are 6 and 10 twos are 20. Here denominator are same, then we will subtract the numerator, that is 5 upon 20. Then this is your answer for the subtraction. Clear? Now see the next one, the second one. Three upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, then 2 twos are 4. Here we can see 2 twos are 4. Then we will write it, that is 2 twos are 4. Then 2 will multiply in the numerator also. Okay, and here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now here you can see denominators are equal. Then subtract the numerator, that is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, that is 1 upon 4. Clear? Now similarly multiply in the next sum. Now see here, in the next one multiply it by 2, and here also multiply by 2, so that you will get 14. Okay, then numerators are equal, and here multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 6. Here also multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 6. Okay, and here the next one is your homework. Okay, now we will start the next practice set, that is practice set 23. Sorry, problem set 23. Now here you have to write the 1 upon 3 of each of the collection below. Okay, means here you have to write the 1/3 part of 15 pencil, 21 balloons, 9 children and 18 books. Okay, and okay, now let's start with this. The first one, that is 1/3 of each collection. 1/3 of 1 upon 3 of each collection, we can read it as 1/3. Okay, then here what we will do, of each means of 15 pencil, of 21 balloons, of 9 children and of 18 books. Then here we will write 1 upon 3 of, for the first question, for the first one we will write 1 upon 3 of 15 pencils. Okay, now that is 1 upon 3, and in off you will write here multiply and into 15. Clear? Now this in the form of 15 multiplied by 1, that is 15 upon 3, that is equals to, we have to divide 15 divided by 3. Clear? In this we will divide it 15 divided by 3. All of you know the division, that is divide 15 divided by 3, that is 3 5s are 15. Then your answer is 5. Then 1/3 of 15 pencil is 5 pencil. Okay, then here we will write the answer, that is 1 upon 3 of 15 pencils is equals to 5 pencils. Okay, clear? Now similarly we will solve the next sum. The next question is 21 balloons. Here you have to find 1/3 of 21 balloons. Then here we will write 1 upon 3 of 21 balloons. Okay, then here 1 upon 3 into 21, that is 21 upon 3, that is equals to 21 divided by 3. Divide here, then you will get 7. Okay, if you divide 21 divided by 3, 3 7s are 21, then your answer is, that is 1 upon 3 of 21, 1 upon 3 part of balloon is equals to 7 balloons. Okay, now see the next one, that is 9 children. Then what you will write here, for 9 children you will write 1 upon 3 of 9 children. Okay, 9 children, then here we will write 1 upon 3 of 9 children, that is equals to 1 upon 3 into 9 children, that is equals to 9 upon 3, that is equals to 9 divided by 3, and you know that is 3 3s are 9. Then here we will write 3 children. Then at the end we will write the answer, that is 1 upon 3 of 9 children is equals to 3 children. Okay, now similarly this fourth one is your homework. Now in the next one we have to calculate 1 upon 5 of each of the following. In the first one we solve the sum based on 1 upon 3. Now in this we will solve 1 upon 5. The similarly we will solve it. Okay, this is the second car. First one, 1 upon 5 of 20 rupees. Then here we will write 1 upon 5 of 20 rupees, that is equals to 1 upon 5 into 20, that is equals to 20 upon 5, that is 20 divided by 5, that is equals to 4. Okay, then at the end we will write the answer, that is 1 upon 5 of 20 rupees is equals to 4 rupees. Clear? Now see the next one, that is 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer. 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer. Okay, then here we will write 1 upon 5 into 30, that is 30 ones are 30 upon 5, that is equals to 30 divided by 5, and 5 6 are 30. Then here we will write 6 kilometer. Then write here the answer, that is 1 upon 5. Okay, now here 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer is equals to 6 kilometer. Okay, now see the next one, that is 1 upon 5 of 15 liters. Okay, then here we will write 1 upon 5 of 15 liters is equals to 1 upon 5 into 15. 15 into 1, that is equals to 15. 15 upon 5, that is 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Then here we will write the answer, that is 1 upon 5 of 15 liters is equals to 3 liters. Clear? Now similarly, the fourth one is your homework. Now in the third question, here you have to find the part of each of the following numbers. Means here you have to find 2 upon 3 of 30. Okay, 7 upon 11 of 22, 3 upon 8 of 64, and 5 upon 13 of 65. Okay, now this you have to find out. In the previous sum we have solved 1/3 part of and 1/5 part of, but here you have to find 2 upon 3 of 30. Okay, then here is the solution. Here 2 upon 3 of 30, we will write same as it is that we have written here. Okay, 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer. Similarly we will write here 2 upon 3 of 30. Then we will multiply 30 into 2, that is equals to 60. Okay, we will multiply the numerator, 30 into 2, this is upon 1. Okay, and here 3 ones are 3. Then what will come, that is 60 divided by 3. Then when you will divide 60 divided by 3, then what we will get, that is 20. Then 20 is your answer. Now in the next one, that is 7 upon 11 of 22. Now 7 upon 11 multiply by 22. Then after multiplying 22 into 7, we will get here 154. Then 154 divided by 11. When you will divide 154 divided by 11, then here you will get 14. Okay, then 14 is your answer. Now see the third one. Third one is 3 upon 8 of 64. Okay, then here we will write 3 upon 8 into 64. Then 3 into 64 upon 8. Okay, see in the first sum what we did here, we multiply. Okay, this you can solve in another method also. Means here 64 divided by 8, what you will do, that is 64 divided by 8. Then as you all know, 64 divided by 8, how you will divide, that is 8 8s are 64. Means if you divide 64 divided by 8, then what you will get, that is 8. Then write here 8, and 3 will remain same as it is. Then write here 3 8s are 24. Here also you can write in the same manner, that is 22 divided by 11 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Okay, here also you can do in this manner. Now similarly the fourth one you have to do, that is your homework. Okay, now with this this chapter is over, that is chapter number 5 is over. Okay, thank you.